As the crypto market gears up for what could be its most explosive year yet, savvy investors are setting their sights on the next big opportunities. In this video, we're diving into the top 8 altcoins primed to deliver mind-blowing 500x gains in 2025. With a bull run just around the corner, these hidden gems could redefine portfolios and rewrite financial futures. Let's jump right in with our first project we would like to highlight, called Propy. Propy is an innovative blockchain-based real estate platform using Coinbase's base chain to revolutionize property transactions by bringing real estate assets on-chain. It aims to make property ownership more accessible, secure, and efficient for buyers and sellers through tokenization and digital representations of real-world addresses. A key feature of Propy is Propy Keys, which allows users to mint real estate addresses as NFTs. This not only secures property titles by reducing risks like deed fraud, but also gamifies property ownership with interactive features such as challenges and staking mechanisms. These staked NFTs offer Propy token rewards, encouraging active community participation. The initiative quickly gained traction, with over 150,000 minted addresses shortly after launch, and a goal of millions more, valued at an estimated $10 billion. Propy Keys also offers AI-generated NFT landmarks, enabling users to own customized digital versions of global landmarks, expanding its reach into collectible assets. By digitizing and gamifying property deeds, Propy facilitates smoother property transfers and a more decentralized approach to real estate, aiming to transform the $280 trillion market. Propy represents a cutting-edge approach to real estate investment and transaction management, attracting support from influential figures in tech and finance, including Cathie Wood and Tim Draper. Through its base chain integration, Propy is pioneering on-chain home ownership, turning the dream of seamless, secure property transactions into a blockchain reality. Propy currently has a market cap of $60 million. We believe that a market cap of $8 billion is possible in a bull run for this RWA project. That is a 133x from here. As our second project, we would like to highlight Neural AI. Neural is a decentralized app designed to revolutionize the creation and trade of 3D digital assets. Its key features include a generative AI engine that supports text to 3D and image to 3D asset creation, a decentralized marketplace for these assets, and a GPU rental service. Neural also facilitates TAO mining, the native cryptocurrency of BitTensor's AI-focused blockchain, through GPU rentals. The platform also provides incubation support for game developers, helping them create, promote, and monetize 3D assets with reduced technical and marketing complexities. Creating 3D digital assets traditionally demands substantial resources, both technical and financial. The concept of mining TAO is integral to the platform's ecosystem, particularly through its use of the BitTensor blockchain's subnet infrastructure. Neural operates within its own subnet on the BitTensor blockchain, focusing on tasks related to 3D asset generation and GPU rental management. The subnet facilitates the decentralized processing of prompts provided by developers, allowing TAO miners to help in generating high-quality 3D models. This process not only rewards miners for their contributions, but also ensures that asset developers receive high-quality outputs in a timely and cost-effective manner. Central to the platform's functionality is the Neural Flywheel, a process that integrates all key components of the platform, from token ownership and asset creation to GPU rental and TAO mining. To participate, developers must purchase and hold Neural tokens, the platform's native currency. Owning these tokens unlocks faster asset generation and additional benefits, such as priority access to GPU rentals. Once a developer provides a text or image prompt to the Neural engine, the request is processed by TAO miners on the BitTensor subnet. Upon completion, the developer receives the final asset while the miners are compensated with TAO tokens for their work. Neural has a market cap of $100 million right now. A market cap of at least $20 billion next bull run is possible, and is a crazy 200x from here. The third altcoin we'll explore is Clearpool, our first RWA project today. Clearpool is the first decentralized credit marketplace worldwide, originating hundreds of millions of loans through its DeFi protocols. It operates on various networks, giving investors the freedom to choose the loan requests they wish to fund. Clearpool serves as a bridge between institutional borrowers and lenders. These lenders contribute their digital assets to individual borrower pools. They have full control over the borrower they lend to and their risk exposure, which they can assess by reviewing borrower profiles. Lenders can earn higher interest rates and returns by providing unsecured institutional liquidity to higher-risk borrower pools. To participate with Clearpool as a borrower or lender, users must own C-Pool tokens. Borrowers set up their borrower pool, and financial institutions determine the interest rates for each borrower pool through the Clearpool Oracle network. Lenders can then stake their C-Pool tokens to a specific pool, earning interest on their staked tokens. Clearpool initiates blockchain technology crypto lending by creating single borrower pools. Risks are evaluated based on borrowers' profiles and the credit market, enabling potential lenders to assess the total value potential for their investments. Clearpool launched in early 2022 with 3 liquidity pools from FBG Capital, Wintermute, and Folkwang. In 2024, Clearpool has introduced term pools, credit vaults, a new chain, fintech borrowers, and a new user interface. Looking ahead, its decentralized credit marketplace will further evolve, featuring multi-chain growth, detailed credit report availability, the second version of Clearpool Prime, a new staking model, exchange-traded pools, and other enhancements. Clearpool has a market cap of $300 million right now. A market cap of at least $30 billion is doable in the future, and is exactly a 100x from here. As our fourth project, we would like to highlight a gaming project called Metacade. Metacade is an ambitious gaming platform on Basechain, designed to unite gamers, developers, and blockchain enthusiasts in a shared digital space called Metacadia. It offers a GameFi ecosystem where users can play games, join tournaments, contribute to blockchain development, and invest in Web3 projects. The platform is built around 4 key areas: entertainment, builder, finance, and media, each catering to different user interests. At the heart of Metacade's gaming community is the entertainment quarter, where users enjoy cross-platform games and competitive tournaments, earning Mcade tokens as rewards. The media quarter serves as a resource hub, providing game reviews, leaderboards, and GameFi Alpha, insights into upcoming and innovative blockchain games. A standout feature is the Builder Quarter, which offers developers support and resources, including the MetaGrants program. This program funds developer-submitted projects based on community votes, empowering users to shape Metacade's game offerings and helping developers bring their ideas to life. Metacade also features an AI-driven marketing tool called Level Up. This tool helps partners and developers streamline engagement, manage communications, and distribute content effectively from a single dashboard. The Builder Quarter further supports new projects through its development incubator, technical consultancy, and education programs. Meanwhile, the Finance Quarter provides investment options in blockchain projects to fund the ecosystem's growth. By integrating blockchain and AI, Metacade enhances user engagement with personalized game recommendations and curated content tailored to individual interests. This community-driven approach, combined with Basechain's fast, low-cost infrastructure, positions Metacade as a dynamic virtual hub, set to revolutionize how gaming communities interact in Web3 spaces. Metacade currently has a market cap of $50 million. We predict that Metacade will have a market cap of at least $8 billion in a bull run. That is a nice 160x from here. Our second AI project of this video is called Spectral. Machine learning models, especially those applied in critical production settings, are typically designed and developed by a handful of large, centralized entities using complex and proprietary techniques. AI agents, which are essentially automated codes that perform tasks on our behalf, have the potential to revolutionize various aspects of our lives. Pioneering AI innovators such as OpenAI have already made significant progress in this regard, laying the groundwork for the creation of agent marketplaces. In the context of Web3, AI agents can provide a considerable boost to the speed and overall user experience of on-chain operations. The decentralized ethos that underpins Web3 stands in stark contrast to the concept of centralized marketplaces that currently dominate the creation and operation of on-chain agents. Enter Spectral, an innovative solution that seeks to reconcile these seemingly contradictory elements by bridging the divide between AI, machine learning, and blockchain technologies. Its suite of products enables users to create on-chain agents that operate based on transparent, open-source knowledge bases and inferences. These agents utilize a common provenance layer, aptly named the infrachain, thereby ensuring transparency and accountability in their operations. Spectral offers 2 distinct products: Spectral Syntax and Spectral Nova. The former is a network of on-chain agents that enables users to create their own on-chain agents using a Solidity copilot. It understands natural language intents and turns them into code-based agent instructions. Users can create and monetize their own agents or use the community-created agents to perform their daily Web3 tasks. On the other hand, Spectral Nova is a machine intelligence network that provides decentralized ML inferences directly to smart contracts. It encourages top data scientists and ML engineers to build models that output inference feeds to solve predictive and machine intelligence problems for Web3 applications. The agents created on the Spectral Syntax network and the various inference feeds they consume from the Spectral Nova network will be integrated through the Inferchain. Spectral envisions the Inferchain as the future of agent-to-agent communication, promoting transparency, decentralization, and performance verification for AI's application in the Web3 space. Spectral currently has a market cap of $130 million. We believe that Spectral has the potential to reach a market cap of at least $20 billion in the future. That is a 154x from here. Another interesting AI project we would like to highlight is called DAI by 01 Labs. 01 is a decentralized artificial intelligence ecosystem with a focus on data governance. They have developed a comprehensive DAI product suite, featuring a secure, modular, and interconnected platform for DAI tools and apps. Together with their 01 construct program and proprietary cipher chain, this suite forms a resilient flywheel, fueling the forthcoming DAI revolution with momentum. Their mission is to simplify the development process and enhance the discoverability, growth, and monetization of DAI products, while ensuring user data remains in the hands of its rightful owners, the users. At DAI, they believe that AI combined with blockchain technology is poised to become the largest vertical in the markets. Blockchain-based tokens will serve as the native digital currency, enabling AI systems to transact. DAI aims to promote the development and expansion of decentralized AI dApps. This objective is divided into three primary areas: establishing a sturdy infrastructure that enables creators to contribute, train and host AI applications, tools, and models; facilitating the financial incentivization of open AI networks through crypto economics; and providing a resilient, decentralized infrastructure for the operation of dApps. 01 emphasizes three fundamental concepts for decentralized AI, namely data governance, decentralized node infrastructure, and AI tooling. Decentralization enhances data sharing across diverse datasets and fosters shared AI models for improved accuracy and performance. It also encourages decentralized model training for efficiency and privacy, creating new revenue streams for data providers. The creation of a distributed network of nodes improves security and scalability, while the focus lies in developing decentralized, globally accessible tools free of charge. The primary goal is to create an open-access, decentralized toolkit for AI. This strategy democratizes AI development by offering free access to advanced tools and resources. Under the Zero Economic Framework, users are able to stake DAI while offering staking rewards and the opportunity to participate in lock drops to obtain ecosystem incentives, adopting a strategy similar to that of Celestia. Holders of the DAI token will be given precedence for early participation in 3 forthcoming Zero Construct Program project launches that are currently under wraps. In conclusion, DAI is emerging as a significant player in the AI space that keeps building and expanding, mounting a challenge to BitTensor's dominance. DAI currently has a market cap of $50 million. This project has a promising future, and it can reach a market cap of at least $15 billion during a bull run. That is an astonishing 300x from here. For our 7th pick and 3rd base chain altcoin, let's explore Talent Protocol. Talent Protocol empowers users to create and own their professional reputation through a transparent, decentralized, and verifiable system. Operating on Base and other chains, it aims to redefine how reputation is built and recognized. At the core of Talent Protocol are 2 key features: the Talent Passport and the Builder Score. The Talent Passport is an on-chain profile where users can showcase their skills, activities, and professional achievements from various platforms like GitHub, LinkedIn, and Coinbase. Users can also earn badges and credentials from crypto projects and Web3 ecosystems. The Builder Score evaluates a user's professional credibility within the Talent Protocol ecosystem. based on on-chain activity, skill-based achievements, and participation in Web3 events or projects. This score opens doors to exclusive opportunities, elite communities, and tools requiring a certain level of credibility. To support this decentralized reputation economy, Talent Protocol has introduced the Talent Token. This utility token provides access to premium features, enables reputation staking, and allows participation in ecosystem governance. It also serves as a means for community members to reward others for their contributions or skills, adding a financial incentive to reputation building. Through these features, Talent Protocol offers professionals a way to build a trusted reputation in the fragmented world of Web3 identities and credentials. This innovative approach brings transparency and recognition to digital achievements, making Talent Protocol a valuable tool for blockchain professionals to showcase their work and thrive in decentralized communities. Talent Protocol currently has a market cap of only 4 million. We predict it will have a market cap of at least 2 billion in a bull run. That is a mind-blowing 500x from here. As our final project, we would like to present a meme coin called NPC. It's the first meme coin NFT hybrid, or, as they call it, the first meme fungible token, MFT. NPC is a coin for one of the most recognizable memes on the internet. I support the current coin is their community's motto, a homage to the non-playable character meme first popularized in 2018. NPC isn't just about laughs, it's also advancing blockchain tech with its ERC11 token standard. Every great crypto story needs a twist, and for NPC, that twist is the transformed dApp. Imagine having the power to convert your NPC tokens into unique NFTs of one of the internet's most iconic memes, the non-playable character meme. Each NPC token is backed by an NFT of this meme, and with the transformed dApp, users can easily switch between the coin and the NFT 1.1. This makes NPC the first meme coin NFT hybrid, a magical blend of finance and meme culture. Users can create their own custom profile picture with over 220 traits to choose from. This makes it the largest PFP collection with unique traits in the crypto universe. The rise of NPC shows how the crypto scene is evolving, where humor meets innovation to create something special. Unlike traditional cryptocurrencies that focus solely on financial gain and technology, NPC brings a cultural twist to the table. The community around NPC is vibrant and engaged, often participating in meme contests, NFT drops, and other interactive events that keep the ecosystem lively and dynamic. The ERC11 token standard itself is a groundbreaking development. While ERC20 and ERC721 have laid the foundations for fungible tokens and NFTs respectively, ERC11 bridges the gap between the two. This hybrid standard could pave the way for a new generation of blockchain applications that leverage the strengths of both token types. Whether you're a crypto trader, an investor, or someone who loves a good meme, NPC offers a fresh and fun twist on digital assets. NPC currently has a market cap of 200 million. We believe that NPC has the potential to reach a market cap of at least 25 billion next bull run. That is a 125x from here. Thanks for watching, and make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and put notifications on to stay updated on all the latest crypto trends.